Morning, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Akshara Kranti. Today, I would like to teach you the concept of advent of the Europeans to India. There were trade relations between India and Europe since ancient times. That means to say that there had been trade relations between India and Europe since ancient times. And this trade continued even in the Middle Ages also. This trade consisted of goods, particularly the spices such as cardamom, cinnamon, clove, ginger, pepper. And the Arabs carried these merchandise or goods into Constantinople, which was a part of Eastern Roman Empire or Byzantium Empire. And Italian merchants would sell these goods to Europeans. That means the Italian merchants bought these goods from the Arabs, and in turn they would sell the same to Europeans. And therefore Constantinople became the center of international trade between Asian countries and European countries, and thus it was rightly called the gateway of European trade. And as a result of this trade, the Arabs had monopoly over the Asian trade, whereas the Italian merchants had monopoly over European trade. And this trade between Asian countries and that of the Western countries, and this trade between the East and the West, brought good profits to the Italian merchants. But unfortunately, in 1453, the fall of Constantinople took place. What is the fall of Constantinople? In 1453, Muhammad II of Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople. The date was May 29th of 1453. And as soon as Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople, they started imposing heavy taxes on the goods passing through the city of Constantinople. And this trade, the then trade, especially the trade at the time when the Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople, became unprofitable to the Italian merchants. At the same time, meanwhile, Spain and Portugal started encouraging adventurous sea voyages in order to undertake voyages to find out alternative new sea routes to India and other countries. Similarly, at the same time, some inventions took place. What were those inventions? The invention of compass, the invention of astrolabe, the invention of gunpowder. So these also gave impetus to the trade between the eastern countries and the western countries after having found out the new sea routes to India. And what is meant by astrolabe? Astrolabe was an instrument used at that time to measure the altitude of the sun, stars and other heavenly bodies. Altitude means height of an object. And one more thing I told you, this trade continued even the Middle Ages. So what is the period covering Middle Ages? The period from the fall of Roman Empire to the period that is up to the fall of Constantinople. That era, that duration is rightly called the Middle Ages. Very narrowly, the period from 1000 AD to 1453 is the period of Middle Ages. Thank you for listening to my class. Please do subscribe my video channel Akshara Kranti. Please do share and comment. Thank you very much.